As you guys know from the previous video, I pick up this i4 from Copart. I take it to home, then I managed to take off the dashboard and change all the airbags pack. After that, I was need to change the wing and bumper. When I managed to do that, then I pick up the key from BMW. I see that there is a drive train failure. I couldn't start the car. What a car so far. As you can see, guys, already running. Last thing to change is the front windscreen. There is a bit crack on the headlight. Apart of that, car is ready. I picked up 18-inch alloy wheels with brand new tires from SE model. Have a look the color. Oh boy, that's golden, shiny, gorgeous color. Car is with Harman Kardon. A very nice option is sunroof, Grand Coupe. Very nice space inside. You feel comfortable. Reverse camera. You can open the boot with a kick. Nice space there. No lights on the dashboard. That's great. If we wanna check status, we can do so. All good. Now, in the end, I can say it's worth sometimes to buy a car from Copart. Not always, but this case, I thought it's gonna come about cheaper, a little bit more cheaper than it is now. But that is because I was thinking that the car will start as normal cars. Obviously not. I spent £3,000 to someone to start the car, which I think is not too bad, because I go to BMW only to remove and to put back the high voltage battery, and this is job which require after crash accident. They need to remove the high voltage battery, so they ask for that job only 3,500. Apart of that, you have a SME unit which you have to change, which is £1,500. Then you need to cut the car, and then you have to change couple of more pyro fuses in the high voltage battery. So maybe in BMW we look like, I don't know, 6 grand to start the car. So half price I pay basically to someone. But yeah, I will speak in next video when the car is completely ready, how much in the end the price of the car is. Front windscreen, as you see, it's cracked, so need to be changed. I go to a couple of local companies which they dealing with that. So the lowest offer was 1,200 to change the front windscreen. So I decided to go to main dealer. They give me a price with included VAT £416, 416, so much cheaper. and I found someone already who can change it for about 100 to 150 pounds. So in total 550 pounds for front windscreen, which is again not too bad, because the car is with head-up display. When the car is with head-up display, if you need to change the front windscreen, is become more expensive, almost triple. So not bad price at all from the main dealer. Guys, car is driving perfect. I'm excited that my first project is successful. A little bit more things need to be changed so the car to be perfect, but I'm happy. First project, car is running, I fix it. Not all of things, of course, because nobody of us can do everything in this world. Sometimes you need someone who can help. But as I say, so far so good. If you enjoy the video on this project, I will upload the final video with the driving, with the range. We're gonna talk more about these electric cars. I will show you my home charging, and that will be all in the next video. So if you like this project, if you like that video and the previous one, you can subscribe to the channel, hit the heads up button, and I see you in next video, guys. Thank you for the support. See you again.